Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. This is just a little quick video here. This build was a 1932 Ford, the little John Butera Little Deuce Coupe, I think it was called. I built this kit back in the late 70s, early 80s, and it was in pieces. And I just put it all back together. I left all the dust on it and everything. I never had glass in it, so I'm just leaving it the way it was. I put it all back together though, cleaned up some pieces, took some dried up glue off, got it all put back together. I'm just going to put it on the shelf the way it is. A lot of great memories from building this kit. I originally built it as the stock kit, and about, I don't know, I think it was like 2 months later, I said, you know what, this thing needs a big old Hemi in there, so that's what I went with. Just one of them neat little projects. I'll put it back on the shelf and smile every time I walk by it. So, alrighty folks, I appreciate your time. Be sure to check out my other videos. I got 3 different kits going on right now. The other one's a little bit of a secret, but I'll give you a hint that's part of it. And we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.